Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel, Our Relax in Life. Today we are right here behind the tower at Bok Tower, and if we're lucky, we will be able to hear the bells. All right, so relaxers, let's grab our mat and let's get started. All right, so we are going to be in a standing position. We're going to start in the standing position, and we are going to have our hands out like a mountain pose. And you're going to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. All right, so we are going to reach over like this with our left arm out, and then we're going to switch sides, reach over. All right, and then we are going to do a forward bend, halfway lift kind of thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to reach over and then we're going to bend down. And then we're going to guide our arm all the way down and reach, and we're going to touch our toes by bending our knees if we need to. You're going to breathe in and out, breathe in and out. All right, next we're going to turn, and then we are going to go to the top of the mat. We're going to move our left foot back and our right foot forward, and we're going to get into a low lunge. All right, and we're going to get into warrior two. Have our arms reaching, and if you want to have some fun with it, make a fist, turn out. And I want to thank you for carving out some self-care time for yourself. You deserve it. All right, make a fist, reach out, and just breathe. In and out, in and out. Now put your arms down. Now we're going to move our right leg back, and then we're going to get into downward facing dog. So we're going to get our hands down, and we're going to pedal it out. So move your hands and get that earth, hand and earth connection, and you're going to pedal it out. And don't forget to breathe. And work your leg muscles and get that blood flowing. And pedal it out. Now you're going to walk up to the front of the mat. And then you're going to reach up to the sky, slowly get up. And then put your hands together, palms together. And have prayer hands across the heart. And breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in and out. So next we are going to do tree pose. So I have yoga socks, and these are like the toe ones, and they have good grips on them. So if your tree is like this, that's fine. Your tree could be this way. Mine is like right here. We're gonna do that today. You're gonna breathe in and out. Breathe in, and they have at Bok Tower some of the most beautiful trees and big trees. All right, there's the bells. I'll let you guys listen to them. All right, I guess that's it. Sometimes they have longer chimes and sometimes there's just one bell. All right, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers for this year. All right, thank you, relaxers. Bye for now.